Okay, guys, this is it. So, me and a friend got together to give a different friend, some new PC parts. So, new to him. We're going to give him a really nice Z87 motherboard. It's an Asus TUF board with a i7 4790K? 4790K. And so, we're pulling up to his house right now. And he doesn't know about any of this. He doesn't need a package. He doesn't know what's in it. He doesn't know who it's from. He doesn't know what's going on. Yeah, so this is what we're doing here. And I am being safe with the phone. I've got it on a little hand thing. So anyways, he's just up here. All I told him is to have a knife ready to open it. He has no idea what he's getting. He has no idea who this is from. All I told him is that it's not weird, it's not gross, and I think he'll like it. Also, I did tell him we were going to record him because my other friend wanted to see his reaction. So yeah. So right now he's rocking an i5 and 8 gigs of RAM. We're going to give him the i7 and 16 gigs of way faster stuff. It's not quite as good looking RAM, honestly, but it's some pretty high-end stuff. There's some kids on the road here. Hey guys, how's it going? They're being safe. Alright. We're just about there. And honestly, I've been wanting to give this to him all week. I would have given it to him yesterday, but things didn't work out with being able to get the actual thing. So, we're pulling up now. Okay, we are at his house. I'm going to try and do it outside where the lighting's better because his house is pretty dark, honestly. Okay. Now, I did black out my other friend's name because I think if he saw his name, he would know what he was getting. So, he is just going to have a box with essentially my name on it and UPS on it, and that's pretty much it. Oh, also, another thing we're getting him. Shoot, when there's an open. 1 second here. We're getting him that too. Okay, I'm gonna kind of put the phone down a bit here in case someone else answers the door. Is your pepper? Hey, Cal.
Buddy! Oh, you're all dressed up.
Yeah, I haven't changed yet. But here, come on out. We'll do it out here where the lighting's better. Because, once again, the other party wants a video.
Oh, God.
Alright.
You know, last time something like this happened, I got a mankini. I'm just giving you some background information.
Okay, it's fine. I actually unlocked my car here.
Okay.
And let's not put my license plate on video. Because I think he wants me to stream it. I'm not going to stream it and send it to him directly.
Okay.
Unless you're okay with streaming it, which you might be.
I don't care. I've got no shame.
All right, that's the box.
Okay.
Grab it. We're gonna do it on the hood. If you don't
Oh,
mind.
okay. Never mind.
You know, as your house is just kind of dark, so that's why I want to do it out here. We want to be doing stuff with it out here, though. That would be weird.
Okay, it's not a dead body.
It's not a dead body. That'd be like a really unfortunate dwarf.
More like a hobbit, my dude. Frodo, is that you? Frodo, we're gonna get you out.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Open it up.
Okay. Let's do this.
Don't drop anything, please. That would be really sad.
Okay.
Also, wait. Before you fully open it, I had nothing to do with this. This was their idea.
Okay.
And they just wanted to send it to me to give to you because they don't want to ask you for your address directly.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for that info. I will make sure to.
So this was all their idea, and I just went along with it.
Oh, get in there. There we go. A little stabby device.
I did not ask it in proposition, and so this started off because you appeared on my stream, and they were like, "Oh, I gotta help this dude out."
Oh, so this is from the streaming community.
This is from the streaming community right here.
Okay.
And that's kind of why he wanted me to stream it at first. I'm like, you might not want that, so.
Well.
I don't want to make any. Like, I couldn't tell you too much without giving it away. So, all right.
The guilty parties can have their video. They may have their video.
All right, go. More boxes.
More box. Yes. Hold on. There's tape too.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Yes. 10 out of 10. See, they said, you know what? He just doesn't have enough cardboard in his life.
Dude, this is gonna be one of them Wii U things, right? I cut this and I make it into the robot, right?
Please not drop this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, open it. So I want let's give you some context here. Hold on. You don't know all of it yet.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay.
All right. I just had like a.
So I want to let you know, this is a really expensive motherboard for this generation.
Okay.
Open it up. We'll get this out of the way.
Very carefully. What the heck?
So this is a saber-tooth Asus Tough motherboard here. It's Mark II, so let's see how it goes. So open it up. Now, you'll notice there's a processor in there.
What the heck?
That's an i7-4790K. Plus, take a look at what's on the processor. See what that is? Any guesses?
I don't know enough, man.
No. You hold that. Don't drop it, because that is a slope. So keep that. Hold it.
Right.
It's not quite this one. It's not this exact one, but it is one of the same size.
Holy crap! No way!
Yeah way.
Dude!
Yeah way. On this same motherboard, this same processor, he was able to overclock on this same type of water cooler to 5 gigahertz.
Whoa.
That is one generation behind mine, one generation ahead of yours. The processor in there.
Yeah.
And it's i7. And
Damn.
there's more stuff. I think I hope it's in there somewhere.
Oh my god.
But he's also sending you 16 gigabytes of really, really high-end RAM.
Oh my god. I'm gonna freaking.
All he wants is you to send those broken kits back to him. Because those were his originally.
Will do.
And he sent them to me. So, yeah. And if you want, you can just give me and I'll ship it back. It's no big deal.
Okay.
So.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Like,
yeah.
damn, that's
so
touching.
now, if you want, we can install it now, or you can hang on to it later. I did bring my tools if you want to.
Let's install this.
All right, let's fucking do it. Yeah, let's do it, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's from the stream.
Oh my god.
All right, and then you're honestly not gonna be surprised by who it is. It was Andrew. So, but yeah.
You're a legend, Andrew. I should have known.
Yeah.
Oh,
all right.
So
he just wanted to get your face for it, and so first he wanted to stream it, so that's why we did this. But I think we can stop recording.
Glad you
and
caught the moment where my heart literally skipped a beat.
Yeah.
As I saw.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let's get this inside. Let's get that on your PC, huh?
Yeah.